Welcome to First Assets. This is Narayan Kini. This is an IPO update on Rossari Biotech Limited. This company is in the business of specialty chemicals that are used as additives in home, personal care, performance chemicals, textile chemicals, animal health, and nutrition products. This company is present in 17 countries outside India. The company is the largest manufacturer of textile additives in India. The business was started in the year 2003 by Mr. Edward Walter Menezes and Mr. Sunil Srinivasan Chari. The promoter hold about 95% of the pre-issue and their post-issue holding will come down to about 73%. Product revenue mix as per 2019-20 financials. 47% of the revenue came from home and personal care. 44% is from textiles, chemicals, and the rest 9% is from animal care and nutrition. 86% of the revenue is from domestic sales. Major customer is HUL in healthcare. Future prospects. Specialty chemicals is a buzzing business and may rapidly grow in the coming years. Company is continuously expanding its facility in Silvassa and Dahej. The company is also specialized in providing antimicrobial, antibacterial, anti-sweating, anti-pilling, which is an emerging segment in sports and special wear. Issue details. Issue opens on 13 July 2020 and closes on 15 July 2020. IPO is slated to be listed on exchanges on 23rd July 2020. Offer for sale of 1.16 crore number of shares with a face value of Rs 2. Total issue amounting to Rs 496.25 crores. This issue consists of fresh issue of 11.76 lakh of shares and offer for sale of 1.05 crores of shares from the promoter's holding. Bid lot of 35 and multiples thereof. Face value is Rs 2. The price band is Rs 423 to Rs 425. Retail investor category is up to bid value of Rs 2 lakhs. Issue proceeds. Approximately Rs 50 crore is the issue amount that would come into the company. The remaining Rs 446.25 crore is towards the sale of promoter's interest. Company would utilize the funds largely to reduce the debt of the company. The company had Rs 115 crore as debt and working capital support as per the last balance sheet. Business risk. The company is in the space of B2B and have no intentions to be in the space of B2C. 50% of the revenue comes from just 5 customers. Very high cost of raw material, which is about 66%. Comparable peers in the industry are Aarti Industries, Atul Industries, and Vinati Organics, which are much larger in size. The issue price is valued at 32.12 PE as against the industry PE of 27.72. As issue price is richly valued, one may apply with a long-term investing opportunity than for listing gains. Disclaimer. The information herein narrated is extracted from the issue prospectus with an intent to give a brief summary of the issue and does not cover all the details. We don't claim any authenticity of the information nor responsible for your action. This is neither an advice nor a recommendation to subscribe to the issue. Please read the offer document and take the help of your financial advisor.